This workshop is designed for managers who might be new into their role, aspiring leaders, HR teams, and fundamentally anybody that runs a team. During the session, we'll break down the fundamentals of communication and how to use non-verbal cues to become a successful leader. We've created a memorable workshop that throws away the big book of L&D, the stuffiness that goes alongside it, and creates something that's energetic, fun, and incredibly practical. The half-day workshop covers 3 main modules: social sensitivity, energy, and influence. So it's going to be a highly interactive workshop, but also gives you time to reflect, think about your own situation, and put that into practice in how you would lead, manage, and engage your team back in the office. What you will learn on this workshop is to deepen your awareness of how to show up as a leader, the importance of reading and delivering non-verbal cues to emphasize messages you're trying to convey, how your energy influences your leadership effectiveness, the power of observation and non-verbal communication, all mixed with live practical activities to identify triggers that influence behaviours with the help of our fabulous K9 team. Are you ready to re-energise your leadership?